if you don't know how to market, right? That's the thing. That's where people get so caught up on, I'm going to market this lip gloss. Well, if you market a lip gloss, you're going to make $9 on a lip gloss. That means you would need 100 customers to make $900. I love the fact that when we sell a legacy builder program, we make $900. If somebody buys our digital mastery, we make $600. If somebody buys our passive daily pay blueprint, we make $300. If somebody purchases the launch pad, we make $100. Do you guys realize if you just got one customer a day on each of them, that is $1,900 a day you could make. And you can do it all through automation. So what happens when you purchase, you get immediate access to our community that has over 34,800 people inside our community. And this is some of the additional training that you get. That's the daily videos that Jessica was talking to you about that you get every day to equip you with what you need with skills and strategies so you, my friend, can reach your goals. We have a content vault that gives you content ideas. We have additional social media training. You get training of how the community members hit 6 figures in 6 months. And then here is our program that you get. It literally walks you through. You're going to have a clear understanding of what passive income is. You're going to have a clear understanding of how you can make 100% profit off of digital products and programs. And when you get started today in the program, you are also going to get some additional bonuses. You're going to get Canva crash course where you can create all your content inside Canva. You're also going to get the 30-day market strategy growth plan. This is literally the strategies that I followed from going from 0 followers to making 6 figures. You're going to get how to launch your own business using master resale rights, which that is showing you how to make 100% profit. Think about this. If you're going to launch an online business, no matter what you do, you have to have something to sell. Do you want to sell something and make 25% profit, or do you want to sell something and make 100% profit? You're also going to get 200 digital product ideas because maybe you want to launch your own product, service, or program. You're going to get the mindset, message, and marketing to your first $1 million. And if you want to launch your business with an invisible brand where you're not talking on video, we have your Invisible Empire training. So again, you get all of those additional bonuses. And with the Legacy Builder program, you get all of that for only $900. And that comes with immediate 4 income streams. And that is what I love, because I was like, okay, so I'm going to purchase a program to learn, but I can be learning and earning at the exact same time. Now, if that is not in your budget or in your goals and dreams, we have a $600 digital mastery you can purchase, or we have a $300 passive daily pay blueprint, or a $100 launch pad. Okay, so there's 4 different products that you can pick from. Now, all you have to do, if you're ready to get started, is just get back with the person that invited you. They actually sent you an email. And if you go to the very bottom of that email, you can see a PS inside of there. And that will show you exactly all of the products, and they can answer any questions that you have, okay? But what I want to do is, we have more testimonials. I want to take it back to Tim. And here's the reason why, you guys, I want Tim to share next, because Tim had no experience in the digital space. He was actually from the corporate world and was laid off at his job. And so this was brand new territory to him. So I'm going to have him share his story and what his income is at from going from knowing nothing to launching his first digital marketing business. So Tim, are you with us?
Hey guys, how are you? I'm elated to be here. Yeah, my story is not even what you heard earlier. Okay, that's normal people. Because this is not normal in any way, shape, or form. My name is Tim S. I have a 5 beautiful kids, been married, going to be 32 years come September 16th this year. And I've been in corporate America in a top 50 retail company and helped that company go from 300 retail stores in a category to 1,000 stores. So I'm not the dad that stays home. I'm not the dad that is, like, listen to these moms and all these stories, but that's part of life as well.